Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now, after a moment you should see boot mode show up. Sometimes when you let go of the buttons it will reboot. So if you see this screen turn off right away, start holding power button and volume up once more. What will happen is when you let go of the power button, it accepts the first option, press start, as you confirming it, which will then boot you back into Android. But if you start holding the buttons once more, immediately it will try to boot you back into here. Now, using volume buttons, once you have this page open, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it with the power button. And once we have the recovery mode open, we can then from there select Fastboot mode, which we do use our volume buttons for this. So scrolling with volume down, once it's selected, confirm with the power button, and there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. Now in here again we can use volume buttons to navigate and power button to confirm, and we have access to reboot system now, which brings us back to Android. We can enter recovery mode, which will bring us to the previous screen, or bootloader, which will bring us to the first screen we have seen after turning off the device. And then last option obviously is power off. So anyway, I'm gonna confirm reboot system now, just so I can get back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.